Hello, I'm Kelly from fitnessblender.com, and today I have a lower body strength training workout for you. So this is a combination of strength moves and cardio moves that all target the lower body. You can do this with dumbbells, or you can get in a great workout without any equipment at all. I haven't included your warm-up or your cool-down, so make sure that you do each of those on your own. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you definitely want to be warmed up before you start this video because we're jumping right in. So we're starting with deadlifts. I'm going to be lifting 24 pounds per hand, so 48 pounds total. Make sure that you are picking a weight that challenges your strength level today. So keeping those weights nice and close to your thighs, coming down slowly, lifting back up. Inhale on the way down, exhale as you come back up, nice and strong. Keep your back nice and flat. Don't let your shoulders collapse forward. So this can make a great burnout round, or it's a really great strength workout if you are just gonna add a warm-up and cool down onto the beginning and end. It all counts, and especially with workouts like this one that are quick but tough. Just make sure you're lifting to challenge yourself. Keep your form nice and clean. All right, next up, we're gonna be doing a basic squat. So I'm gonna be doing 12 pounds per hand this time, so 24 pounds total. So grab your weights, take a nice deep breath. I'm gonna pop my weights up to my shoulders, squat down and back up. Just like with the deadlift, inhale on the way down, exhale as you press back up. Keep your weight in your heels and your toes, your knees in line with your toes. Try to push those hips out or those legs out. Don't let your knees collapse in towards one another. Keep going, 15 seconds left. You can stop and take a break anytime you like, but try to keep moving. Just drop the weights if you need to. All right, the end of that interval. Next up, we're doing reverse lunges. So I'm gonna hold on to just one of these 12-pound weights. I'm gonna hold it right in front of my chest. I'm gonna take that leg back and behind the body just as much as we can control with our balance and sink down into that lunge. Try to make sure you're not wobbling once you're down here. Try to stay nice and level. If you're wobbling, you might be going down a little too low for your strength level right now, or you might have a weight that's a little too heavy. Keep going nice and strong. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you press back up. 15 seconds left. All right, so the next interval is a little bit mean, but it's a jump squat combination. You can do jump squats all the way through if you like. Just make sure your form is clean and be willing to push yourself, all right? So sinking down and exploding up nice and tall. If you want the variation, you're just jumping up every other. Whereas if you want to completely gas yourself here, just keep going with those jump squats. I'm gonna stick with the every other. Keep going. Only 20 seconds left. Jump up as hard as you can. Make that jump count. Under 10 seconds. Okay, next up, we're going to be doing a curtsy lunge. So I'm going to pick one weight again, 12 pounds. Take a second to catch your breath. In through the nose and out through the mouth. All right, here we go. So lunging back and up. So if you're struggling here, That's part of the point. Don't feel bad. And B, if you're struggling too much, take a break. Take a second to collect yourself and then get right back in. Again, watch for wobbling here. Try to keep your shoulders level, indicating that your body's not rocking back and forth as you change elevation. 5, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So I'm going to stay with this 12-pound weight. And this time we're going to be doing a clean and press. Setting the weight down on the floor in between every repetition. So here we go. Grab that weight, pop it up to your shoulder, up over your head, and back down to the floor. Alternate sides. So you're really driving with your lower body. The upper body is really not doing much except holding on to that weight. So your legs are doing that popping motion that gets that weight up to your shoulder and then up over your head. All right, keep going. 10 seconds left. All right, so we're going back to a deadlift variation. I'm going to use 40 pounds total this time. I'm going to be doing a wide deadlift. So a nice wide stance, but all the regular rules of a good deadlift. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way back up. Back nice and flat. Keep going. Got about 15 seconds left. I don't know about you guys, but I'm already dripping sweat. This kind of workout packs a punch. All right, so next up, we're doing a side lunge push-off. But I'm just gonna go with no weights for this one. In through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, so here we go. We're leaning over and pushing off. So it's a side lunge, adding just a little bit of plyometric work to it by pushing off as hard as you can. And then doing the rep on the other side. Keep your back nice and flat, your eyes up. Pick a spot on the wall if you need to. All right, 10 seconds left. 5. All right, next up, we're gonna be doing a swing. So dumbbell, or kettlebell. Let's see, I'm gonna do 20 pounds for this. However you can hold on to your weight to make it work. But again, this is upper body motion where the upper body is doing next to nothing. It's all in those legs. So pop that weight up there. Keep going. Keep your back nice and flat. Really pop forward, drive forward with those hips. Keep going. Almost there. All right. Okay, next one is a squat with a side step. So I'm gonna hold on to 12 pounds for this one, right in my chest. So we're sinking down, step to the side, and back up. Down, to the side, and up. You can add a calf raise here Just add to the balance ask and target those calves. Try to do it slow and controlled, kind of stick the landing. Don't fall over. Over halfway done, keep going. This is our last interval. 10 seconds left. There's 5. All right, so that one was fast and vicious. So I'd love to know what you thought of that routine and how you might use it, whether on its own or as a burnout round. Thank you for working out with me. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Workout complete.